Today we'll be going over how to set up your PC with RTDE using a physical UR. Make sure you take note of your UR's IP address and make sure your UR is also in remote mode. From there, you'll need to change your IP address network on your PC. Make sure you have a physical connection from your PC to the control box using a physical Ethernet cable. From here, you'll change your network settings and you'll go into your control panel and change adapter settings. Here you can use the Ethernet to, as you can see, I have that physically connected and I'm going to change the properties to match the robot's IP address. Make sure the last number is slightly different than the robot's IP address so they're not on the same network. From here, you can open up your command prompt, and you'll first make sure that your Python version is compatible with RTDE. As you can see, I have Python 3.11.9, which is compatible with RTDE. If you don't have Python downloaded, please go onto the Python website and have that downloaded initially. After that, you'll install RTDE, and as you can see, I already have it downloaded. And then from there, you'll go into your notepad. I already have a simple script written up, but the main thing you want to make sure is that you are able to locate where this notepad is located. So right now I have this in a folder just within my PC labeled RTDE project and RTDE example. Make sure it's labeled as a Python file and not a text file. After each change, make sure you save the file so that it's able to run properly. After that, you'll go into the directory of what project this file is in. And then from there, you'll be able to type in Python and run the entire file.